Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name's Nancy. I'm a makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how to master the just lip liner look. If you're crazy about lipstick, you love having color on your lips, but you're tired of reapplying constantly and your lipstick fading, I have a lipstick hack for you. Yes, you can wear lip liner without lipstick. I'm going to show you how. So the first thing we have to do is we have to prep the lips. So I'm mixing up some brown sugar, some coconut oil, and let me see, here's the secret ingredient, honey. A little bit of honey in there. Let's go. Get that honey out of there. All right. The reason we want to use honey is a humectant. And what it does is it attracts and holds moisture. So get that in your mix. Put some on your fingers. And we're going to scrub. Circular motions for about 30 seconds. To get all the dead skin off. And prepare the lips for the liner, okay? I'll fast forward here so we can get to the liner. All right. So the next thing is that we want to shape. It's all about the shape. How are you going to shape your liner? Are you going to emphasize your Cupid's bow? Are you going to line the tops, the bottom, whatever you do? Let's do that now. All right. And here's the key. We're coloring in the whole lip with the liner. Sometimes lip liners can be a little bit drying. So, but the key is that they have a lot of pigment and they're going to hold the color. So the next step, here's the amazing part of the whole look, is the next step is going to be either a lip balm, a lip mask, or I have a vitamin E stick, and this is just going to give it a little bit of shine, a little bit of, keep that moisture so it doesn't feel so dry or look so dry. There you go. Now this color is going to last much longer than a traditional lipstick that's creamy. I'm not talking about the long wear lipsticks that are liquid, that are there all day, but this is a great alternative. It's all about lip liner. If you're not wearing lip liner, what are you even doing? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I have resources for you in the box below. Mwah. Bye-bye.